The man accused of carrying out an anti-Semitic attack in Boulder in court once again today. 45-year-old Mohamed Soliman is now charged with a federal hate crime. This in addition to 118 state charges. He's accused of using a makeshift flamethrower and throwing Molotov cocktails at demonstrators who are marching peacefully in support of releasing Israeli hostages in Gaza. 15 people and a dog were injured. Investigative reporter Natalie Chuck joins us now with new details and the push for accountability in the wake of this attack.
So you're in the courtroom. This is really the first time we've seen him, a good vantage point.
Right, and as you all know, no cameras are allowed inside a federal courtroom, so I'll try to paint a picture for everybody here. But as Soliman walked into that courtroom, you could see the burn marks on the right side of his face. The bandage he had on his head earlier this week has been removed, and he listened to the whole hearing through headphones using an interpreter who was speaking Arabic. As he was read his rights, he would nod to the judge and say yes in Arabic, letting him know that he understood what was going on. Now, earlier this week, I took some questions about Soliman's case to Hatel Doshi. She is a former assistant U.S. attorney who has, since our interview, announced that she is running for Colorado Attorney General. She explained that Soliman's charge is specifically aimed at bias-motivated crimes, including religion and race. And not only did the FBI immediately come out and call this an act of terror, but court documents revealed a lot more about Soliman's mindset leading up to this attack, according to investigators. Both local and federal records claim Soliman told investigators he has been planning this attack for a year, and he did it because he, quote, wanted to kill all Zionist people and wished they were all dead. One question we hear is, why are there both state and federal charges? First of all, under this specific law, there can be a federal charge if a crime was committed that crosses state lines. In this case, the FBI argues those wine carafe bottles and gas used to make the Molotov cocktails are not manufactured in Colorado and had to travel here. I also asked the former prosecutor about the difference in prosecuting a federal hate crime versus local. She says these cases are always a collaborative effort between agencies, taking into account what the possibility is for sentencing.
Certain types of conduct, when they are motivated by hate in the form of bias towards protective groups, are so contrary to our democratic value that they should face enhanced penalty for that conduct.
And this case is moving quickly. His preliminary hearing is scheduled for the federal case on June 18th, you guys.
And Natalie, we know a lot of people in our communities are invested in seeing this suspect in this case held accountable for this very heinous and anti-Semitic attack. So if convicted, how much time could he be looking at in prison?
Yeah, well, when it comes to this federal charge, he is typically facing a 10-year sentence if convicted. But the prosecutor said today that if the charge includes an attempt to kill someone, he could face life in prison for that federal charge. At the state level, he could also serve more than 300 years behind bars consecutively for each of these charges. That's according to the Boulder County District Attorney.
All right, as you said, this one moving quickly. Investigative reporter Natalie Chuck, thanks so much for your work.